Hello everyone. Till now we have done exercise 17.2 question number 1. Now we are going to start with question number 2 of this exercise. The question is the cost of the different tickets bought by different passengers traveling in a train is given below. Now this is the cost of the ticket. You have to find the median cost. Now you have to find the mid value. So for that what you will be doing is first step is that you have to arrange all this data which has been given in the ascending order, right? This is the data which has been arranged in ascending order. The next is you are going to count the number of observations. These all are the observations, so when you will count it there will be 15, and when the 15 is there which is odd, so for that you are going to apply the median, and the formula for the median is 1 upon 2 n plus 1th observation. This is the formula for odd number of observations. Now n was 15, so what is 15 plus 1? 16 divided by 2, you will be getting 8. So this means from this ascending order you are going to find the 8th observation. And which is the 8th observation? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 45 is the 8th observation. So the answer of this is 45. Okay, and this was your question number 2. Similarly, in question number 3, the marks of the 10 students in a test are given below. Find the median marks. Now the data is given of the marks of 10 students. First step is again the same. You have to arrange the given data in the ascending order. This data has been given to you. Now you are going to arrange it in the ascending order, right? And then you are going to count how many number of observations are there, which are 10. When the number of observations are 10, you are going to find the median, and you're going to apply the formula of the median for even number of observations. And this is the formula for even observations. 1 upon 2, n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term observation. Now since n is 10, so you will be writing it as 10 upon 2th plus 10 upon 2 plus 1th. You will cancel it. 2 ones are 2 fives are. So this will come out to be 5th observation. And this will be the 5 plus 1, 6th observation. Now from the ascending order, you have to count the 5th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5th observation. 20 is the 5th. And the next is going to be the 6th. So 24. Add it and divide it by 2. You will be getting the answer 22. And this is your question number 3. Now let's do question number 4. Question number 4 is also same. They have given you the cost. In this, the cost of the books has been given and you have to find the median. Okay, so this data has already been given to you. The first step is that you are going to arrange this data in the ascending order. 40, 45, 48, 55, 58, 60. You are going to count the number of observations, which is 6. And the number of observations are even. So you are going to apply the formula for even number of observations to find out the median. The formula for that is this one. Place the values and get the answer. Third and the fourth observation you are going to find from the ascending order sequence. Not from the data given, but after arranging the data in the ascending order, from this sequence you are going to find the third and the fourth observation. You will solve it and you will be getting this answer. And this was your exercise 17.2. Now let's start with 17.3 exercise. In 17.3, the new concept you are going to do is mod. Now what is the mod? Mod of data is the value of the variable that occurs most frequently. That means if this data is given to you, the very first step is that you are going to arrange the data in the ascending order. Now you are going to check which number is coming maximum number of times. If you will see from this, 6 is coming maximum number of times. How many times it is coming? 3 times. So this means the mod of this data. The mod of this data is going to be 6. So basically the number which is coming maximum number of times, that is called as the mod. Next, this is B part of question number 1. This is the data given. Again, you are going to arrange it in the ascending order and you will see that 48 is coming maximum number of times. 48 is coming maximum number of times and that number is how much? 4. So that means mod is 48. Okay, and this was your question number 1. Now, question number 2 is the age of 6 girls in a summer camp are given below. You have to find the median and mean. Now, in this question, data has been given. this is the data which is already given in the ascending order. You are going to find firstly the mean and then you will be finding the median. So in 17.1 you have done mean, and in 17.2 we have done median. Just we have to do the same thing. Formula for mean is sum of the observations divided by the number of observations. What is the sum of the observations? Add all these observations divided by the number. How many are these? 6. So divided by 6, answer is 12.17. Okay, and then for median, this is already arranged in the ascending order in the book. So now you are going to count it. The number of observations are 6. Apply the formula for the even number of observations to find the median. Now at the place of n you will be placing 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. So what will come? Third and fourth observation. Now in this, what is the third one? 12. What is the fourth one? 13. So 12 plus 13, 25. Divided by 2, you will be getting the answer. Okay, and this was your question number 2. You can pause the video to note it down. Now the next is question number 3 is again the same. Now all the questions, question number 3, 4, 5, all are same, in which you have to find the median and mean. The data is already given to you. Find the median and mean marks for the following data. Now these are the marks. The data is given to you of the marks which is already given in the ascending order in the book. Firstly, find the mean. Formula for the mean is sum of observation divided by the number of observations. What is the sum? Add all of these. Divided by 6. Number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. You will be adding it. Divide by 6. You will get this answer 70.83. Median. Now since here the number of observations are 6, which is even. So to find it, 1 upon 2, n upon 2th plus n upon 2 plus 1th observation. Solve it. You will be getting the answer of the median. Same as we have done how to find the median. This is your question number 3. You can pause the video to note it down. Now let's move to question number 4. Question number 4 is also of the same concept. You have to find the median and the mean from the given observation. And now this also, the number of books are given. The given data is there. 20, 25, 35, 40, 45, 50. This is also arranged in ascending order. First thing is that you are going to find the mean. Mean is what? Sum of observations divided by the number of observations. Sum means 20 plus 25 plus 35 plus 40 plus 45 plus 50 divided by the number of observations. How many are there? 6. Divide it, you will be getting the answer 35.83. Next is median. Now how many are there? 6. You know it for 6. What you have to do? Apply the formula. Divide it. You will be getting the answer. This is already given in ascending order. So the third will be 35 and the fourth observation will be 40. So instead of third observation, write 35. Instead of fourth, write 40. Do the sum and divide it by 2. You will be getting the answer. And this is your question number 4. Let's do the next. Question number 5. Find the median and mean amount for the following data. Now the data has been given. How much amount has been collected? Like 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450. You are going to find the mean. What is the mean? Sum of observations divided by the number of observations. Add and divide by 6. You will be getting the answer for the mean. For the median, how many observations are there? 6 observations are there. 6 are there. Apply the formula for the median. Third plus fourth observation will come. Now this is already given in the ascending order. So the third one is 300 and the fourth observation is 350. So 300 plus 350 will give you 650. Divide by 2, you will be getting this answer. And this is your question number 5. This was your complete exercise 17.3. Complete this exercise in your notebooks. Thank you.